Hi, I'm Gordana and I'm making a video tutorial on how to record directly from editor in Moodle. First, you click on Add a new discussion topic and then you write your topic in the subject field. This is the editor and you can record yourself from using these tools, record audio and record video. But I'm going to click on this arrow. And these are the Poodle tools. I'm going to record my voice first by clicking on the record audio button. And then I click record button. Hello, this is my voice. And I'm stopping by clicking on the same button. Here to hear it play, I click on the play. Hello, this is my voice. And I'm stopping by clicking on the same button. Then I click upload and wait for it to be uploaded and click on the insert button. Next, I'm going to make a video. I click on the record video button and start recording. Hello, this is me. I'm making a video. Bye. And stop. Seed. This is me. I'm making a video. Bye. Next I click upload and wait for it to upload. Then it's uploaded successfully, so I click on the insert button. And to post it on a forum, I go here and click on the post to forum button. And now it will be posted. Okay, bye bye.